Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to cover the solved preliminary paper of Shaheed Frank Officer Mariam Mukhtar Government College. Start करते हैं with the first MCQ. It's a botany second year. Okay. So the first question is the polymerase chain reaction is so polymerase chain reaction को हम use करते हैं to a DNA sequence technique, to a DNA amplification technique, to a DNA degradation technique, and all of the above are correct. So your right answer is all of the above are correct. Next way, histone have abundance of amino acid which are, so the right answer is arginine and lysine. Next way, in polymerase chain reaction, the denaturation step is a process of the temperature between 94 to 98 degrees Celsius. Next question है, different enzymes are used in various steps involved in the production of bacteria capable of synthesizing a human protein, which step is catalyzed by the restriction enzyme. So यहाँ पे restriction enzyme जो है वो कटिंग का काम करता है, तो बीटा इज द राइट आंसर, कटिंग का प्लाज्मिड वेक्टर. Next question है, which enzyme is responsible for unwinding the DNA double helix during replication? So the right answer is DNA helicase. अगला है, what is the role of DNA in protein synthesis? So DNA का जो रोल होता है serve as a template for mRNA, directly forms protein, initiate translation and catalyze the biochemical reaction. So देखो DNA का रोल in protein synthesis, so of course ये translation को initiate करवाएगा, ठीक है. So yeah, Charlie is the right answer. Removal of floating solid or organic material from the salvage is primary treatment. Next is gel electrophoresis is a technique used to separate DNA fragments. Significance of this technique is to sequence DNA. Next is theory of natural selection without taking any support from genetics. बाद में फिर न्यू डार्विनिज्म यदि मेंडल के लॉज के अकॉर्डिंग. Archaeopteryx is a connecting link between reptile and aves. Aves में birds आते हैं. The gene which interfere and masks the phenotype of the non-locus gene is epistatic gene. Now the next question is, the allele of Hollandric gene is located on Y chromosome. Genomic map are useful for. So yes, the right answer is identify gene associated with a specific gene is the right answer. Next way, plasmids are used as cloning vector for which of the following reason? Can be multiplied in culture, can be multiplied in laboratories with enzyme, have self-replication in bacterial cell and replicate freely outside the bacterial cell. So yeah, right answer is self-replication in bacterial cell. वैसे ही सारे करेक्ट लग रहे हैं, लेकिन आप लोगों को एक चूज़ करना है. सो मोस्ट सुटेबल वन इज बीटा. Next with Thermus Aquaticus is a source of, so the right answer is Taq polymerase. Now the last question is, which of the enzyme act as molecular seizures? Of course restriction endonucleases. And molecular glue के तौर पर कौन सा वर्क करता है? So that is DNA ligase. Here are the short questions. These are the long questions. Thank you for watching.